I wanted to do something inspirational for my children. I do a lot of inspirational talks for kids to motivate them to change their lives and give them hope. I had hoped when my life was chronicled, it would be an inspirational story. Peter Stroger is very inspirational, communicating a lot, being open and approachable for the players. I feel like music itself is inspirational enough, especially with the internet, not to sound like a shut-in. The most inspirational person in my life has been my mother. In fact, I wouldn't really call this a gospel album. I call it more an inspirational album. I think it's great that you have inspirational female roles, that it's not just the pretty girl on the arm of a man. I have amazing friends who have led inspirational lives. Deacon Jones has been the most inspirational person in my football career. The government will see that human spaceflight is useful for science and the economy and inspirational. I'm never without my lyric book. If anything inspirational happens, I have it there so nothing's forgotten. Watching my family work so hard has been so inspirational, and I think I really got their work ethic.